And still an addendum to the Still Keeping shout out. Also, I want to thank Kevin P. from San Francisco, who brought me this American Eagle for my taxi service, picking him and dropping him at the airports. You can never get enough American Eagles. And this is my scrapping stuff. This is actually a 10 gram, 18 karat. It's got the mark on it. And then this is some more gold scraps. About 20 more grams to add to my 2 nice little nuggets. And then here is my dental gold that looks like about another 10 grams with really shiny, I think it's white gold. And then we got the yellow gold here, another 9 grams. And then we got 58 grams of mixed. It's got silver and gold mixed in with, I don't know what it is, but we'll get this all processed in Brunswick, Maine when I go back to visit my parents.